Yeah, we left our ear pro at the table for a reason, right? Where do you want me to shoot at first?
Hit those pepper poppers that are out there. Give me double taps.
Oh, you dropped.
I think that's the one that Bacon shot with the RPK. It's never been right since.
Ah, I can still hear things.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. There's some steel right around the corner there. Down over the hill.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Hi, I'm Mr. Tactical Bacon with the VSO Gun Channel. Today we're looking at a Ruger 1022 that the folks at Silencer Shop were nice enough to send down to us. This particular 1022 features a built-in suppressor. Has an end cap, and this is counterbored to accommodate the baffle stack. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and bring in the new year with not really a bang, because this doesn't make very much noise. Range is hot. Or not. Yeah, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and fire 2 into the berm so people can hear it without the ting of the steel. And then 2 more from behind. With a little ricochet noise. Yeah. Alright, go ahead and put it on steel. What do you think? I think it's awesome. It's nice having a suppressed 22 that doesn't increase the length of the weapon at all. This being integrally suppressed makes this a 1-stamp weapon. You don't have to get that short length by going with an SBR and then screwing a suppressor on the end of it, so that you can still get it in and out of your gun cases, still get it in and out of your vehicles, and you really don't have to worry about having something that's supposed to be handy, which isn't.
Hey guys, this is Doc from VSO Gun Channel. We're out here on New Year's Day 2016. Nice brisk weather. We're gonna run this suppressed 1022, see if we can knock down some poppers.
Ha ha.
Die!
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I see Bacon's grin over there. He knows what's wrong with that one. That's the one that he shot with the RPK.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, I was putting some hate on that thing and I could not get it to fall, so but this is all right, you know. You notice I don't have any hearing protection on. Don't need it with this suppressed 1022. Good day, America.
Is that thing just not a gem, or what?
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah.
Having that suppressor in the barrel just makes it that much nicer.
I couldn't keep Bacon away from
the 22 ammo, and this stuff is so freaking expensive these days.
Oh, it is.
That I almost had to like slap his hands as like a kid in a cookie jar. But
Yeah.
But Wombat brought some CCI mini mags with him today, and let's see how those sound. Then we'll throw some subsonics in it.
Sounds like a plan.
Give me like half of them on the plate, half of them off the plate. That's all she wrote?
No, not all she wrote.
All right, finish her out. Rapid fire me some.
That's all she wrote.
All right, cool beans. Let's go throw some subsonics in it and do some work.
Sounds like a plan. Now we're going to try the Ruger 1022 with some subsonic rounds. See what it sounds like. Now we're going to do a direct comparison with 5 supersonic and then 5 subsonic, just so we can see what the difference is.
That is ridiculous.
Insane amount of difference.
That is completely different.
Wow.
That is no joke. That's a pretty stark contrast compared to what we saw on that Spartan 3.
Right.
The Spartan 3 video.
Yep.
With the pistol. So the pistol, I mean, obviously there's a lot more velocity going on there with a longer barrel.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, so that makes all the difference. The subsonic ammo really does make a difference in a rifle.
Makes a ton of difference.
Yeah, that was cool. Well, hey, why don't we go back to some subsonic ammo and close this video out.
Awesome.
All right, guys, out here with the integrally suppressed 1022. Again, thank you so much to Silencer Shop for sending this thing out on pretty short notice that we could have some fun out here in early January. This thing is a awesome blast, and with this subsonic ammo in it, super quiet. To close this video out, we're gonna go ahead and see if I can't get the all 15 rounds that we have left of this stuff on that plate down there. Rapid fire. Here we go. See if I can lock it in here. Oh man. Ready? I don't know how I did. I'll have to do the I'll have to check the footage there. But thanks you guys very much for watching the VSO Gun Channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.